Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today we're working on the Gnomes for Winter scrapbooking workshop, but really I'm talking to you about how to put this little gnome guy together. So in the workshop, we use the Gnomes for Winter thin cuts. And so it has all these parts. It has the body, which I generally use as a skin color because he has little hands that stick out. And then we have his clothing, which has his little shirt and his hat. We have the beard and the mustache pieces, his little nose piece, and then some little ice skates. The ice skates are different and they do go in a different place, so be careful of that. So one thing you can do if you want to, if you have some precious silver foil paper, is cut the little skates off of the brown shoes and glue it to one you cut with the silver foil paper. And then you have some perfectly perfect little ice skate boots with some silver on them. So I thought that was really fun. But basically, you have to just choose your base color, add your gnome. So you can make this gnome as complicated or as easy as you want. The easiest way is to just make it all one piece, all one color. So then when you put it down on him, you've got his shirt on and you've got his hat on, and they of course match because they're made of the exact same paper. And then he's ready to go, and you can put your little boots on. And again, make sure that you do, because they are different. So one will fit perfectly on top of one. If it doesn't fit perfectly, it probably means it's the other one. There we go. And then we have his beard pieces. Now, his beard has a little hole in it, and this is for his little mouth. And so I decided that I would just take a scratch piece of paper. So I like to use shortbread for skin color because it's not too light and not too dark and not too anything. So that way it has his little mouth in there. You can also do something a little on the pink side, I suppose. I just kept it all with the skin tone, whatever skin tone you choose to use. There's that. And then we have his little mustache. You can choose to pop his mustache if you want to. I like to just pop the ends and then put some glue in the middle so that the ends pop out, but the middle is glued down. And mostly I do that because I still have to put his little nose on there, and I don't want his nose popped higher than his mustache is popped and stuff like that. So I've got his nose popped. Put his nose a little higher than his mustache. So there you go. That's how you put together your little gnome guy. And obviously, if you wanted to change up his hat, change up his little jacket, you just use different papers and cardstocks. So super cute. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not sure if I showed you the samples. So he's got a periwinkle coat on and a pattern paper hat. We've even got some mittens on there that are cut from the thin cut bundle. And then this one, he's got some fun plaid hats with another periwinkle skirt, and this one's just got it all plain. So you can do it however you wish to. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.